AI is rapidly taking over Hollywood with stunning creations. YouTube is filled with AI-generated sitcoms, country music parodies based on popular IP, and of course, fake movie trailers. But here is what's really terrifying. This is the worst it will ever be, and it is threatening thousands of Hollywood industry jobs. Soon, we might not need cinematographers, set designers, costume designers, actors, and even directors. I mean, think about this. AI is already cutting production time for a lot of projects in half. Sound design that used to require specialized teams can be handled by an algorithm. And say goodbye to concept artists. I made a video on using AI for concept art. It's linked in the description, check it out. Even editing, which used to be a purely human-driven skill, is being replaced by AI that can even assemble rough cuts based on emotional story beats. And visual effects teams are using AI to create virtual environments right on set. No post-production needed. And what even is a set anymore anyway? I mean, why do location scouting across the globe, mind you, when all you need are some detailed prompts and you can have any place in any time period right there on the computer in a matter of minutes? And get this, some studios are even using AI to analyze the story structure to gauge and predict audience reaction to different plot points. And all of this AI efficiency sounds really, really great until you think about all of the people in Hollywood and video games and adjacent industries whose livelihoods are at risk. And believe me, they are definitely at risk. And the most fascinating thing about AI is not what it can do, it's what it means for creativity itself. We're witnessing technology that changes fundamentally what it means to be a creative. You need to ask yourself, can machines and AI truly make something meaningful, or is it just mimicking human emotion? This question keeps people up at night, especially those in the creative field whose entire lives depend on skill and creativity. It's not only those who are currently working in video games in Hollywood either. It's also those thousands of people who are in school at USC, at Ringling, at Savannah College of Art and Design, at Cal Arts, the list goes on. What do you think they're feeling right now? They're about to enter a job market that is shrinking rapidly. And the jobs that remain, well, they're going to be entry-level jobs. And we've already heard how many entry-level white-collar jobs are expected to be lost due to AI. This is not a positive development for a lot of people. The threat to jobs is very real, with AI potentially displacing so many roles in the entire production pipeline. The good news, or the silver lining, is that teams of real people will still be required, at least for the time being. And those deepfakes that you're seeing everywhere, soon you are not going to be able to tell which ones are real and which ones are computer generated. This technology raises real ethical questions about consent and authenticity. And while Hollywood unions fight really hard to protect their members, that's Hollywood, that's the United States. There are many other countries that have different rules, regulations, and laws around AI. Hollywood faces a reckoning with AI that's going to change the entire Hollywood industry landscape. And guys, for creators who are willing to embrace this technology rather than fear it, the possibilities are endless. The future of filmmaking has never been more accessible. And it goes without saying, but AI is not going anywhere. While it's scary, it's also exciting. It's a crazy time we're living in. And if you want to do something really crazy, you're going to hit that like button. So if you find value out of the content that I'm providing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. I would greatly appreciate it. That's all I have for today. Thanks a lot. Until next time, take care.